morning, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Akshay Ravindra.
Your?
My name is Maria Raji.
As your names are Akshay Ravindran and Maria Raji. Akshay Ravindran, you are candidate A. Maria Raji, you are candidate B. Okay. Now, Akshay Ravindran, which is your... what's your hobby?
My hobby is listening music. I like to hear music because music gives me an enjoyment and refreshment to my mind.
Okay. Which is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is K.S. Chitra. She sings thousands of songs in Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada. I like her because he has ability to convey the right kind of emotion while singing.
Okay, Maria Raji, candidate B. Maria Raji, what about your family?
My family is a joint family consists of grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, brother and sister.
Okay, how do you spend your weekends, holidays?
On weekends I will revise my chapters. I also spend time on playing indoor and outdoor games.
Okay, thank you. Now, candidate A, Akshay Ravindran, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, candidate B, Maria Raji will ask you a question and I will also ask some more questions. So, would you like to begin, please?
Thank you, sir. My topic is my favorite personality. One of the personality whom I admire most is Arundhati Roy. As a feminist writer, journalist, environmentalist and social worker, she has successfully carved out a niche for herself in history. She is assertive and she approaches things objectively. Her rational approach is commendable indeed. She won the prestigious Booker Prize for her first novel, The God of Small Things. It is tragic romance. The story describes the life of Syrian Christian community lived in a village called Aymanam in Cotton districts of Kerala. A journalist and writer, she is Arundhati Roy expressed unique courage and wisdom. She was the champion of Environment Society and women. Her article, The Guardian newspaper, was a nuclear favor of discernment in attracting intellectual community everywhere, free from greed and hypocrisy. She gave away the money she received from the Booker Prize for the welfare of Australian Aborigines. Pettiness and narrow mindedness are not her personality. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Then candidate B, Maria Raji, can you ask a question, please?
What are the features of her writing?
In her writing, he writes her intellect, her experience, her feeling has been used. He also writes. She also writes to the problems India facing today. Her novel, God of Small Things, is an appreciation of the Dalit groups.
Okay. Why do you select Arundhati Roy as a role model?
Because she, as a poet, she is also a social worker. I like people who are involved in social work. She is also a first woman who honored the Women Prize, Booker Prize.
Okay, thank you. Now, candidate B, Maria Raji, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, candidate A, Akshay Ravindran will ask you a question. Then I will ask you some more questions. So, would you like to begin, please?
Thank you, sir. I am going to say something on my topic, my favorite social worker. There is nobody who does not know Mother Teresa, the mother of poor. She was the mother of the destitute, the castaways and the needy. This short-prayed woman was known as the embodiment of love and sacrifice. She was born as Agnes Gonza Bojaxio in 1910 in Yugoslavia. She came to India and taught geography in a school. On seeing the pathetic conditions of the slum dwellers in Calcutta, she started Nirmal Hriday for the dying in 1952. She started off with stalled sisters in the Nirmal Hriday headquarters and provided a number of help for the poorest of the poor.
Okay, thank you. Then candidate A, can you ask a question, please?
What are the activities Mother Teresa done to help the poor?
On seeing the pathetic conditions of the slum dwellers in Calcutta, she set up Nirmal Hriday for the dying and also for people of suffering from different diseases. He and her co-workers scoured the streets of Calcutta in search of the dying and poor and provided various help for them.
Why Mother Teresa became a social worker?
While she was in India, she saw a number of people suffering from various diseases and dying. On this, seeing these conditions, she is gone to social work.
Okay, thank you. Now let's go to the next task. I am going to give you a card which has an information about a problem. I would like you to read the information and then discuss together how you are going to solve the problem. So you have 2 minutes to do this. So here is your problem. Your problem is your school has to elect a new head boy. Discuss what qualities a school head boy should have. What responsibilities come with the position. Discuss together. Okay, can you stop now please? Candidate A.
He should be model for the students. He has a responsibility to all the matters. He was polite. He has to be courage. A person who lead is a leader.
Is it alright for a head boy?
No.
Then speak it.
He should have the ability to control the students. He should have responsibilities in all activities held at school. He should be active in all the programs held at school.
Do you think the school candidate, that the school head boy are not a manner of discipline?
He should be a disciplined man.
Okay, thank you. Now, that's the end of the task. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.